Virtual reality is something that can integrate humans into virtual environments. This makes an application or a game interactive as there is no distraction from visual perspective. The whole experience is immersive, and as a result, even minute details get into your brain pretty easy. And that is the reason we are developing an Android application that can be used for students to learn programming concepts through virtual reality. Programming is becoming an essential part of engineering in every field as the world is moving towards automation, and it is important for students to grasp some programming knowledge. Students with no computer science background in their schooling find it difficult to learn programming concepts. So, the idea is to bring programming concepts to school students in a non intimidating and fun way. The prototype primarily consists of three modules. The first being learning module, where students can learn programming concepts through interactive activities or tasks. For example, let's look at the if-else concept. Fruits are scattered around the room, and the task is to find a banana. A simple code will be displayed to the user, making it simple to understand the concept. Likewise, we have included binary search and selection sort concepts in the prototype. The second module is basically a virtual classroom which allows students to ask doubts and learn definitions, as theoretical knowledge is essential. We have used IBM Watson's speech-to-text engine for this. What is selection sort?
In computer science, selection sort is a sorting algorithm, specifically an in-place comparison sort.
And the final module is about self-evaluation. This is just to allow students to recollect the concepts and evaluate themselves. This application was developed using Unity 3D. C# is the language used for scripting. Some of our ideas for future enhancements include a database connectivity through which students' details and performance can be stored and evaluated. Like the score of quiz after each module can be stored, and a leaderboard of top scorers can be created for competitive environment. Students can log in through their credentials and store their process of completion and scores. This can be expanded for many other programming concepts to make students' life easier. We strongly believe education and fun combined will change the perspective of many students and will change the world for sure.